Hi, it's Lisa here from Active Domestics. Now, I've got 4 sons and they all use this bathroom. I've been trying to get them to clean it themselves, and they did actually clean the sink, but not the shower. That's the worst I've seen it in a very, very long time. It's very gross. So first of all, I'm just spraying it over with a bit of natural multi-purpose spray, because soap does help the dirt and grime and fat cells attached to the water and be rinsed off a lot more easily and cleaned a lot more easily. I've just got this new steamer and I'm learning to use it, so I am just new at this and probably should have been wearing a mask at that stage, but I do have very good ventilation in this room. I did find it quite good because yes, it was quite dirty, but there's definitely, their tiles needed a good wipe and scrub as well with the microfiber cloth. So I'm reverting to the good old-fashioned Jif or Sif, or this one's actually a home brand one, a cream cleanser. I sometimes even make my own natural cream cleanser, which works equally as well. Now I use that same product on the shower glass doors as well as the tiles, and also at the bottom of the on the shower tile floor. You do always need to scrub the shower tile floor, not just mop it, as I see some people think that that is enough. Mopping it is not enough. You need to get down and scrub it, because of course the bottom of a shower is always going to be the most dirty, because it has all the soap scum and dead skin cells and dirt and fats and grime and general grossness and yuckness. But anyway, so give everything a really good clean. Go over it again and again. You'll see I'm wearing my non-slip shoes. I did not get these wet. I then wore these shoes to work later on. Carefully rinse well. Now I can take the shower hose off in this shower and use it to rinse things well. But if you don't have that, just get a small bucket, keep filling it up and going over it. Rinsing is really important. Now, as you can see, I don't use disposable gloves. I use heavy duty gloves, and I wash them and dry them and reuse them. So the shower is looking a lot better now for wiping everything over, but you know, I don't clean the shower heaps and heaps, and because I actually don't come in here very often, but when I do clean it, I like to give it a really, really thorough clean, because then it's going to stay clean for a longer time. And of course, I want to keep this shower in as new condition because it's our house. And if it wasn't our house and we were renting, I'd want to keep it really clean anyway, because I'd want to get my bond money back. Always wipe over the windowsill and wipe over the products. I didn't need to use the steam cleaner on this side. I mean, I don't know that I'd use the steam cleaner that much in the shower, but you know, when it was really dirty like that, it certainly did help, and it was a bit of fun using it. But yeah, on this side, it doesn't get as dirty, because of course people don't usually stand on that side of the shower. And so I just wiped it over with the cream cleanser. Really got into the grout lines with the grout cleaning brush and also with the cloth, and just go over it again and again, keep rinsing and going over it. Of course, washing and wiping the shower glass doors as well. Some people don't clean the shower glass doors properly and then wonder why they get really a lot of build-up on them. You've got to clean them just like you clean your tiles, but it's the rinsing them that's also really important. You want to rinse away all the dirt. You're also rinsing away the excess cleaning products, because the excess cleaning products will leave streaky marks if you don't rinse them off. So as you can see, I've got a yellow cloth now. I went and got a clean cloth because I want to wipe everything over one last time to make sure that there was no cleaning product left on there and that the glass doors are perfectly clean. Now, I didn't need to use even glass cleaner. I didn't need to use anything else other than that cream cleanser, wiping it and then rinsing it well. And they've come up beautifully. You just need to use simple things when you're cleaning. And if you do them properly, they'll stay looking nice for a long time. Because You can see how beautifully these have come up. Now I know other people have different coloured cloth methods. I mean, I've been cleaning for a long time, well before I had the internet, so I usually use blue cleaning cloths in my shower, as you'd know if you have watched my videos before. But you know, you just stick to your method. I'm using this, the yellow one, as a general rinsing cloth, but I've got lots and lots of cleaning cloths, and I always wash them properly and then sanitize them on the line out in the sun as well. So just keep hygienic and don't cross-contaminate. Wipe over your stainless steel fixtures as well. Keep them nice and shiny and without the watermarks and dirt. Haven't cleaned over there yet, as you can see. But I'm very happy with how the shower has come up. It looks really good. So thank you very much for watching, and you have a great day.